Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great and healthy. Today's video is about the top 10 foods to reverse and make fine fatty liver, and also have some good tips to keep your liver healthy. But before we start our today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Now let's begin our today's video. The liver is perhaps one of the main organs in your body. It eliminates toxins, processes nutrients, and assists with digestion. However, sometimes an excess of fat can build up in the liver, leading to a condition called fatty liver disease. If untreated, it can harm your health. Fortunately, fatty liver can be reversed with the right foods and a healthy lifestyle. This video will show the 10 best foods for reversing and healing fatty liver in a simple way. 1. Leafy green vegetables. Spinach, kale, and other salad greens are perfect for your liver. They are loaded with nutrients and antioxidants that help reduce fat buildup in the liver. Step-by-step instructions to eat. Add spinach to salads or blend kale into a smoothie. 2. Fatty fish. Fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats reduce inflammation and improve liver function. The most effective method to eat: grill or bake salmon for dinner, or add canned sardines to your salad. 3. Avocados. Avocados are high in healthy fats and contain compounds that may protect the liver. They also help reduce cholesterol issues, which can harm your liver. Step-by-step instructions to eat. Spread avocado on whole grain toast or make guacamole as a snack. 4. Nuts. Almonds, walnuts, and other nuts are rich in vitamin E and healthy fats, which can reduce liver fat issues. The most effective method to eat: have a handful of mixed nuts as a snack or sprinkle chopped walnuts over your oatmeal. 5. Olive oil. Olive oil is a healthy fat that helps the liver by reducing fat storage and improving liver enzyme levels. The most effective method to utilize: drizzle olive oil on salads or use it for cooking instead of butter or vegetable oil. 6. Garlic. Garlic is known to help the liver by reducing fat in the body and improving its function. It also detoxifies the liver. Step-by-step instructions to utilize: add crushed garlic to your soups, stir-fries, or roasted vegetables. 7. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are loaded with antioxidants that protect the liver and reduce inflammation. The most effective method to eat: add berries to yogurt, cereal, or eat them as a snack. 8. Green tea. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants called catechins, which improve liver health and reduce fat storage. The most effective method to drink: enjoy a cup of green tea in the morning or after meals. 9. Whole grains. Brown rice, oats, and whole grain bread are high in fiber and help improve liver health by reducing fat and improving digestion. The most effective method to eat: swap white bread and rice for whole grain versions in your meals. 10. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful compound that reduces liver inflammation and detoxifies the liver. The most effective method to utilize: add a pinch of turmeric to your tea, soups, or curries. Alright, let's talk about some tips for maintaining a healthy liver. First, avoid sugary foods. Limiting sweets, soda, and treats can really help in preventing fatty liver from getting worse. Next, stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is essential to flush out toxins from your body. Exercise regularly, as physical activity helps burn fat in the liver. And lastly, limit alcohol. Alcohol is quite hard on the liver and should be avoided, especially if you already have fatty liver. Remember, a healthy diet can make a big difference in healing and even reversing fatty liver. Foods like leafy greens, fatty fish, and olive oil are great for reducing fat and protecting your liver. Combined with a healthy lifestyle, these foods can significantly improve liver health and keep it functioning properly. Start small by adding these foods to your meals, and you'll be on your way to a healthier liver. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, then share it with your loved ones, and comment. Take care of yourself and your loved ones.